Damn, I think they changed their shit. Yo, yo, yo. Damn, man. I could have sworn that there was a way. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm trying to figure some shit out. Okay, so yeah, there used to be a way where I can change the stream title. They literally just whatever. That's what I'm saying. Son is fucking weird. All right, fuck it. Let's get to it. What I'm put some vibe shit on. The only thing is like, if I play this, is it gonna give me a copyright? Coffee Club. Funny. All right, so we're here today. Just trying to figure out. I'm working on mo fucking. Let me make sure my audio is good. Check, 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 check. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. So yeah, there's this new shit called Claude, and I'm trying that. Trying that today. The sign up was insane. So I had Rosebud recreate their sign up because that sign up was so sick. So yeah, that sign up was so fucking awesome. Oh my god, my Trello. Hold on, maybe I shouldn't share my entire screen. It's kind of dangerous. But yeah, so look, Mayo. Oh shit, okay, okay. Let's add a smooth progress. Let's do that. Bam! So I am kind of worried about putting y'all on the sauce, but whatever. Fuck it. There's this shit called Rosebud AI, and it's really sick. It's basically like a coder for you. The reason why I like it is because, I come from the corporate world, enterprise world, things like that, like capitalistic shit. And Rosebud is cool because Rosebud allows you to be able to just make stuff. Well, no, the reason why I like it is because Rosebud it seems like it's off the top, it seems like a website where you come to make games. So I think it was tailored to people who just want to make online games, which is sick. But I'm like an enterprise level person. So coming to Rosebud and then wanting to build enterprise tools in a gaming environment platform has kind of, I see it as a competitive advantage because this is like gamified design. It's like hiring the top person from Nintendo or Pokemon or some badass game design company and them basically rebuilding your entire e-commerce platform. So then your whole entire e-commerce platform has this gamified aspect to it. So that's what I see happening here. And I'm fucking nailing it. I'm hitting it, man. So yeah, this is enterprise level software and we bring it into a gamified type environment. Man, yeah. So yeah, the only bad thing about this is that it builds everything in React. So that is where it kind of fucks up my workflow. So yeah, I got to figure that part out. So either I can start building new apps in React and just have a whole entire environment of just React apps and just let AI kind of like maintain that stuff. And maybe I can even learn React through that process. That would be kind of great. I mean, I know React, I just don't code React. So this would kind of get me in a nice little flow state of being around React. It's like hiring a React developer, not knowing React, but telling him what to do. That's exactly what it is. So I guess, yeah. Spinning up a environment where it's solely just React, I think, yeah, that could work. And then AI just builds all that. Okay. All right, so look, can we work on the next? Okay, can we work on when a user submits the info, it displays a solidified card with their info locked and defined. Then it does an animation loading the next question, then displays the next question. Easier to enter the next. Please make or maintain a sleek and minimal design. Bam. This has nothing to do with anything, but I'm doing it. This is R&D, baby. R&D. You think the copyrights are gonna fuck me up for this song playing right now? I'm not safe. Give me some. I was gonna say give me some Afro house, but low key, I don't know what the fuck is going on in Africa, but anytime I play Afro house, I always get a copyright. We'll do this one. As a streamer, I feel like lo-fi is so safe. What if I play that old Cardi shit? Like Playboy Cardi space out or a vibe mix? I don't know. What's that shit called? Slow and chill? Slow down and chill? 20-minute mix. What? Yeah, fuck it. We're playing Cardi. Cardi's the theme for today. Old Cardi. I haven't even listened to the new Cardi yet. Not in like on some hating shit. I just have not had a chance to listen to it. I really want to focus on it and like soak it in. And the couple times I've played it, I just haven't gotten to actually do that. What's good? Okay. Is where the user can hit enter or press the to submit and go to the next step. One thing I'm learning about is contrast, like with color theory, is like contrast displacement like ranges. So like I have a color, let's just say the shade is at like 200, and then, you know, say the text you'll put is darker, so it'll be at like 800. So the contrast differentiation between that is like 600. So the contrast is going to be way higher. So like creating like more minimal flat designs where your contrast levels like between those 2 points are kind of like, it's less. So you'll have like a contrast. You'll have your, say, background or border at like 200, and then like the text can be at like, instead of 200, 300, 400, and maybe 500. So like 300 displacement makes the things look way flatter. So I'll say, can you make it to where the shades are a little bit close to give a more softer on the, make the colors minimal in contrast differentiation so that the colors are color shades are more softer. Actually, let's see if it works. Young males. Ooh! Real nigga. Oh, radio! Oh! Oh! What's your main goal? Be a real nigga for life. All done, young male. Thanks for completing your profile. You know what? I should make it where there's a date picker. Ooh. Okay. A date picker. No. Okay, social media connector, where you connect your social medias. Let me do that. Yo, I'm gonna fuck around in AI code. I think I had stuff to do today, but yeah, whatever. All right, there you go. This is much. Real nigga. Yeah, that's sick. It's sick, but I kind of liked this version better. I don't know. What do you think looks better? I think this one looks way more professional. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with this one. Okay, so once I add a locking indicator, yeah, see, it generates all React code. It creates multiple files. When I first was working with this, it was only creating one file, which was easier to maintain because I have a Vue.js application that I pretty much was just converting into Vue.js code. But since this is a multiple, yeah, like what are the styles? That's interesting. Yeah, I mean, I can convert this over to Vue. I just gotta use some brain power. It's really going to work on this. I don't even know what to give it anymore. It's just going hard. That's insane. Okay, Alex Mayo. Where's the lock? I don't see the lock. Okay, I'm gonna say, I don't see the lock or anything. AI vibe coding. I was supposed to be working on Claude, and now I'm doing this. Oh, there's the check mark. Can you make the check mark have some green, subtle green? Can you make it also have maybe like 4 pixels of padding? Whatever makes it look even to the other stuff. The circles on the timeline seem to be off center to the right. No, left a bit. And then what else? Okay, cool. So now can you add a step in there where they can add their social medias dynamically, like displaying the options they can add this list or a sleep list view where they can see the social medias they connected. I should have said just mock this out, because it's going to be like, oh, well, now I need to connect to the API. I need to do this. No, just make it a mock. This is just for design. I'm actually supposed to do this at 5 o'clock. So I guess it makes sense because I'm preparing for my meeting at 5. Cool, young, big trap. What the hell? Bro, this is insane. This is exactly what I want. Okay, so I'm going to say like projects. This is insane. So what else, chat? What else should we put? Give me some ideas. Give me some ideas. What should I build? Chat's real quiet right now. Walk around them bins. Oh, this is whack. Is it done? Oh, shit, it's taking forever. All right, well, I guess I'll do this for like 7 more minutes, and then I gotta work on Claude. I gotta see something with Claude. We're gonna get to you, don't worry. Yo, where's my phone? Oh, it's right here. Yo, we need to upload a bunch of Playboy Cardi to the site. Real nigga, big trap, money, industries, money, time. This is insane. I probably just, this is insane. This is all I needed in this life. Mayo. Real. See, it's not, I notice every little detail, bro. I'm like, so I know how to design good products, man. Whatever, it's not working, but let's just get the UI. Because that's what this is. This thing is a fucking beast. This thing is a beast at making user interfaces. So this is what this is. This thing is a fucking mock-up maker. I'm paying a designer. That's what this is. This is a designer right here. I'm basically paying a front-end UI designer. I don't know. UI designer. Maybe UX. I don't know. Interactive design? UI UX designer. So this is basically our UI UX designer. That's what this is. This guy is building. That's what Rosebud is. I basically just paid for a UI UX designer. So this motherfucker right here is doing his thing. He really knows. It's really creating some cool designs. I rock with this. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I need to ask it like maybe a checklist of goals. I need to make goals like I need to make goals a checklist. Let's say, can we combine role and company? Question. Then social. Then for the goals, let's make goals a list. Then another section for asking what they are looking for, what type of services they need, creatives they thought. So basically, this might work as a nice little form to be able to dynamically ask people, you know, just like, what's up, you know? And I can take this and put it in our data. So I got to figure out how to deploy a React app, which I think is literally the same flow. That's the same workflow as the Vue. Everything costs money. Start off with it. So it seems like whenever you work on this, It's better to work on small snippets of code. Definitely way better to work on small snippets of code. So I have an idea. All right, so perfect timing. I'm gonna get this Claude stuff started. Perfect timing. I'm gonna get the Claude stuff started, and here's the first use case. I was gonna have it analyze data. It's fun. It's cool. So it's good. Roll. Did it apply? All right. So while that's working, because we don't gotta sit around. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here to Elon, and I'm gonna go here right to the dashboard. Cool. And I'm gonna say capture entire page. So it's gonna capture the whole page. That wasn't the entire page, so we'll try again. Take screenshot. All right, so go here. Fuck it, now we'll open it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here. Okay, cool. Fuck it. We'll go here, go to Claude, and then I say, bam. And say, can you analyze this layout design? Okay. Okay, cool. So it's a services marketplace platform with a clean, dark, themed UI design. Cool. So it analyzed the platform. So what I'm gonna do is go. Oh, where are you? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hey, shot. Oh, there you are. All right. So look, Rosebud. Are you done? What'd you do, shot? It didn't finish. It did finish. Apply. What is good? Real nigga. Wait, what happened? Whoa. Fix that shit. All right, anyways. So let's go to another Rosebud. Okay. And then I'm gonna. No. Okay, whatever. Monochrome animated emoji spaceship website with a cool font. I'm getting over Rosebudded right now. I'm doing a little too much Rosebud. It's too much. Real Nick, a show. Big time records. Whoa. What the continue button on the tell us about your work is tweaking out. It's not it. When you hover, it hiccups and moves around a lot and doesn't work when you click it. Oh, look, I got that one working. So look, that's like one AI working, and then bam, I got another AI working. So it's like, not only is Rosebud dope for having, it as a UI designer, also you can have it open in multiple windows and go crazy. I don't even want it doing this. Here, whatever. Oh, don't publish my work. Tired of people stealing my shit. All right, so with that being said, I go here, right? Bam. Go here. Paste. Bro, I fucked up again. Why is it not copying the... Okay, let me restart. Look. Copy all of this. Okay, it at least took the first message, so I'm not gonna fuck it up at this point. Come on. Okay, look, I just emailed. Look at this shit. I'm about to flex real quick. Should I do this? All right, look what they said. He said, "Hi, Alexander. Thanks for reaching out. I've created this message so we can follow. I've passed your feature requests along to our product team so they can consider adding in the future." I'm gonna say, I wrote a script local in my deployed server where using FFmpeg to apply. Do you guys to work with the Riverside workflow? If this were available in the dashboard, it would make things very easy to do. It would simplify not just my workflow, but I'm sure. Cool. So yeah, I just sent that. Basically, I just told Riverside like, hey, I wrote a script because like I was asking for a feature and they didn't have a feature, and I wrote the script locally to handle it. So I just told them if they want me to give it to them, I can do that because it's all love. Maybe they can fucking give me a free account. That'd be crazy. Yeah, why charge people, bro? Just give it out for free. It's open source, baby. Open source, baby. All right, back to what I was doing. What was it in? Did it even make the design? Cool. Looks cool. Looks cool. No, but now I need to paste in this. Bam. Yo, it literally just knocked my design out the water. That's insane. This is actually how my marketplace should have looked this whole entire time. Damn. This is unreal. Service hub. Service hub. Why did it think? Can we make this to where there is a sidebar on the side and it is the main content area? Sidebar area. Rosebud is gonna be like, yo, we're supposed to only be making games. You can't be telling us to. You can't be asking for the next Google. What are you doing? Yes, I can, brother. Okay, that's cool, but I want that. I want it to be way more sleeker. Sidebar. Make the side. I'm gonna say this actually. So I'm gonna go to Claude. I'm gonna say if we were to optimize the sidebar, what would the layout and functionality and design of the sidebar on the side look like? The top part of it is an AI chat they can talk to. Can we make the messages start? Suggested queries should go above the chat. Suggested queries should go above the chat or the text box. I literally never need to pay the UI designer ever again. This is insane. This is insane. So let's see what Claude said. So I'm going to say, cool. So I'm going to paste that to Rosebud. Wow, it's pretty smart. That was a big ask. I don't know if it can handle all that. It was quite a big ask. Can we make the welcome to service hub box card container have way smaller and text where it's whatever? I'll just leave it like that. I'm not really trying to get like the colors and the design and all that stuff to differentiate between the chat and the notification alert. There you go. Cool. So yeah, these can be the actions that they start off with. So yeah, that section can be that. This will be the chat. Then this right here will be like suggested queries. And then under the let me think about this real quick. After the AI responds in the chat, most recent message, we have small little pill buttons where cards where they are suggested actions or quick actions, call to actions that are related to the user's request. Please make this UI differentiate from the suggested queries at the... Damn, I can't believe I woke up so late today. Well rested, baby. Let me know when you're ready. Real. Damn, this thing just knows what to do. I feel like charging for AI is like a gym membership. You want to charge people a good amount and hope that they only use it maybe a couple days a month. Okay, CEO. What's it called? Like the expanded, but collapsed conversation box have a fade, so it depicts that there's more behind section. There you go. Oh my god. So sick. Can you make the expand collapse icon look cooler? It's good enough. Damn, that's sick. Can we explore what this state looks like? Started at the. So I'm really trying to get this this sidebar really figured out. I think that's the big thing. That's not what I want. What is going on? Damn it. Just go back to this one. This various conversations. Say this. Can you make this add more sections into the sidebar? Can you? I'm not sure if the UI or the UX would be better with additional sections above or below chat to make the experience seamless and intuitive. I'm like a genius who can't spell. I can spell, it's just I'm like my fucking fingers are. I code too much. I already have the nav living somewhere else. Germ section. This shit is sick. That makes a lot of sense. That makes so much sense. Right, so I'm gonna go here to free label and I'm gonna open the nav right here and I'm gonna zoom in. Oh shit. No, wait, go back. I'm broke. All right, whatever, iPad Pro, turn that bitch. All right, go back. All right, so open this nav, take a photo, take a screenshot, saves it. I'm gonna go to Claude. I'm gonna say Claude. Check it out. Can you explain and describe this navigation UI? Comprehensive navigation. So explain more of the design. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this from Claude. So at this point, I'm literally just making my AIs talk to each other. I just grab the content from one AI, send it to the other, and then, it's just magic. It's fucking magic. Hell to the fucking no. That didn't work. That didn't work as much as I wanted it to at all. This shit's a hit or miss sometimes. Hit that button, but whatever. Say, can you add a top toolbar that spans across the top service hub from the sidebar? Top toolbar span across and the chat sits under it. So the logo. I don't see the top toolbar. Name. Okay, perfect. Dude, I can't stop coding with this. I've been in Rosebud AI all day. What? Look, let me tell you. So basically, so the advantage of this is that I realize how Rosebud can work for me, and I realize it's a UI designer, bro. It's a UI and UX designer. It's not a coder. It's using code for sure, but I think what it is really is a UI UX designer. I have CEO AI. It has a UI understanding. Yeah, I mean, because whoever made it is a game developer, so they probably trained it on a lot of gaming aspects of shit. And this is what I realized is there's not a lot of people in Rosebud AI who are coming in here with an enterprise level mindset. They're not thinking at all, being like, how can this work for me? How can this work for me? And me and my $1 million making process, my bazillion, you know what I'm saying? And I realize now that Rosebud, I can't really take shit from Rosebud and throw it to production. I can't, because that's what CEO AI is for. CEO AI is trained on our code base, trained on our business plan. It's literally, it's like me. It's a developer, business owner. You know what I mean? Developer business person, CEO. So like, when I write code, CEO AI doesn't just know our tech stack, but it knows our business. So it like really fucking thinks. And that is what I realized is like, I'm not, there's a reason why the code process is a little bit slower when it goes up a free label because like I'm running it through a whole pipeline between me and the AI and shit. So with this, bro, I can solve design issues. You know what I'm saying? I can literally solve design issues. But yeah, so I realized that the code that
Get you,
it's
bro. I get.
but
What what the fuck did you make?
I'm saying that Rosebud AI is a design solution tool. So I'm using it to figure out how to redesign shit on the site. You know what I'm saying? Like this is basically Elon right here. Like, and this is kind of what me and it have come up with. And then I've kind of like been fucking around with Claude. Claude is actually very powerful. But I basically said, can you analyze this?
All the time.
I said, I'm telling you, this whole AI shit is crazy. I got too many bitches. So I said, can you analyze this layout and explain it? Oh my god. So I said, can you explain this? And it gave me a whole explanation. And I basically Rosebud. So what I've been doing is I've been rebuilding our sidebar. You know that side navigation right here on Free Label?
Yeah.
So look, this is what I'm. This is what we have right now. See how there's only one chat. I can get the whole history. I just didn't know how to design it. I did.
Listen.
Oh my
Step by
god.
step, bro. And I swear to you, I'm gonna help you evolve all this shit.
What the fuck?
Please listen. First of all, the first game. You got the prompts now. You're acclimated. Can we get that in there? And then I'm gonna help you adjust everything else because I got a song maker. I got an audio to investigate how to make. I got a list of some consultations, bro. All this other like trying to make side things is like you can steal the things from there and know how to make it the whole time.
Bro, what do you really didn't hear a word I said? You're just talking. You didn't hear a fucking thing I just said. Bro, you're not it. That's what I'm saying. You're not even focused on, bro. You're not even focused on shit, bro. I gotta hop off the phone right now. I'll call you later, bro. Like I'm literally trying to put you on. You're talking about nothing right now. Fucking what? Dude, bro, what? I'm getting concrete shit going. What are you talking about? You just shut me up to say what?
Finish the game.
What did you just say?
Add the game. Did you add the game yet, bro?
Bro, I need
Bro, I can't even meet you halfway until the game is checked off my checklist, bro. Like it's fucking up my deadline workflow. If you could just,
you didn't hear one thing I fucking said.
I know, because this is my anxiety is over flaring because the game is not being edited by you, boss
You're a
man.
fucking I told you to get VS Code and run it through Claude. Jesus Christ, there's like 10 different conversations. You are cannot focus, bro. I gotta hey, I'm on something right now. Let me hit you.
With something else.
Let me hit you.
That's me,
I'm
bro.
not. I'm getting shit done. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the middle of a song. I called you for the what should I do on this beat? And you're like, well, you need to download Cubase. And hey, I get it. I'll do that, but not right now. Not right now. Not right now. I'm in the middle of a song.
My other song, so I can help you finish this song.
I'm in the middle of recording a song. I'll hit you in a little
Bro,
bit.
the song is almost mixed and mastered, bro.
Bro.
Just fucking finish.
Okay, look, I'm gonna take my time and show you one last thing, and this is it. Look, bam, look, I created this onboarding because I signed up for Claude, and Claude was cool, and I was like, wow, Claude is cool, and I was like, I want to recreate that type of sign up. So look, Mayo, bam, and all of this, and look, I'm a designer at Real Nigga Industries. Okay, bam. Ah, I broke it. Oh no, continue. Oh no, I did break it.
I understand where you're going, bro, and my mind is gonna expand, and I just don't want to explode because we can overhaul the whole site with this process. With I understand what you're saying.
Well, all I'm trying to tell you is that Man, all I'm trying to say is my $30 it went to Rosebud being a UI designer. So now it's rethinking a lot of how I'm doing shit.
That's on stacks. That's on you want somebody with $10?
Yes, please. But like, don't pay me. Don't pay me. Look, just take no, bro, stop. Take one of those. All I'm asking you is take one of those and pay for your free label account. That's all. Yeah. Nah, but pay the $8, the friends and family one. That's the one I'm trying to hook us all up and then, you know what I'm saying? Like that will pay for everything. I will literally like I'm not this is not a scam. I'm just saying like I need help with the bills, you know what I'm saying? And like $8 and then you get unlimited everything and I'm giving you GPT 4.0. I'm giving you not and you cuz with the free models, you know what I'm saying? You get the free models, bro. And then, you know what I'm saying? $8, bro. I'm just that's the goals. I'm just trying to get the homies on $8, bro. That's all I'm at. That doesn't even do anything. You know what I'm saying? I should be, bro. Come on, 25, bro. Help, nigga. Square, rounded with a robot icon in it.
What you got?
All right. So look. Anyways, so what I'm trying to say is, this is basically my UI designer because I even hired our UI designer because he's a tester also, so he does testing and he does UI design. I don't even have to hire him for UI design because this does UI design for me. Literally the same quality.
Edit and test. That's all they're doing. Quality control, bro. You don't. They don't have to be the brainchild. You're the brainchild. They're not even gonna fucking understand what to do. Can't do it for you anyway. But if you can finish the game, I can help you understand the whole process, so we can have this shit done by the weekend, and we can start really selling accounts instead of fucking trying to. You know what I'm saying? Get fucking co-founders to help you to fucking pay the bills. It's not the business model. You had meetings all week with fucking VCs and other employees, bro. Like,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm fine. I'm good.
I know you are. So I'm not even gonna pretend that we should be talking about anything else. Like, at any given moment, I'm not gonna pretend, bro. Got you guys. I understand UI design. It's the reason why I started linking in more with Rosebud as well. I, bro, I told you I found Rosebud, bro, and then I just found it for the gaming a long time ago. So I was thinking like that's cool, but that's in the sense of how like Johnny was thinking to where he saw my game, I was thinking like that's cool, but it's not as robust as my idea. But I started seeing some other web application videos that I was looking at just on designing and coding. Once the game is added to the page, bro, I can think about everything else again. If you're busy, I understand. That's the only reason I've been taking your call because I thought we were at the
Look, insert premiere. Yeah. Look, I'm live on YouTube, dropping a premiere. So it's like there's a live premiere, but then there's a live. Damn, my AI vibe coding got 10 views, and I didn't even post it or anything. That's insane. Ah. AI vibe coding session. I just started off with AI vibe coding session '07. There is like like I just chose '07.
serve my energy for a call. That's cool. Fix the idle monopoly tycoon. So much opportunity for fucking ads.
All done, real nigga. But do you see this sign up process that I'm making?
Appreciate it.
Look, what's your name?
Just need me to use it, or you gonna?
Nah, this is so you know how like I need to recreate the create profile? This is basically helping me rethink the create profile so that I can um have people sign up and also collect their information way better to the point where the AI is trained. It's trained way better because it has where our user interface support is.
That's for extra. Get it back to temptation.
So what?
Hallelujah.
Yo, fuck is he? I just want y'all to see what it's like to have unsupportive team. It's well documented. Well documented. People are only focused on what the fuck they want. This is crazy. It's not. I don't know. Y'all can probably ignoring everything. Okay, it works. Cool. That works. But now the social sign doesn't work just like the other ones. Show it's me. Oh, that's icy. Add another section where people can list what products or service. Choose if it's a product or service, the title, the price, a price. Dun, 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 bird, get money. Do big things. Eh. Wait, the product and service form is not displaying. It seems like there is a space there where it should be. I'm trying to think. This one would be huge. I'm on shoddy. But this one is a nice solution. Bam. Started working on it. Let's see what's going on my AI. Your label's so sexy. All right, so I'm about to clock out on this shit because, I mean, I really want to get this one working and have this figured out. Because if I can see a clear memory, I don't see in the history. Hey, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Vibe coding, baby. We vibe coding. You know what I'm saying? You know what's going down? You ever heard of vibe coding? It's where you just like vibe out. And you don't even do nothing. You don't even code. You just vibe. You do more vibing than you do coding. Damn, man. Okay, looking at the code, I can see that there is a product. But this is what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to just refresh it. I'm going to say this. It's, you know what I'm saying? This shit's not loading. Do you think I'm going to get copyrights if I play Travis Scott? I probably shouldn't do that. I'm going to stick with the Playboy Cardi leaks. Look at my bitch. Why? Should I just add it manually? Where is it? What is not in there? Product component, but it's not properly integrated into the onboarding flow. So what am I looking for? Product service form. Nope, it's not even in there. Oh, yeah. It's not in there. That makes sense. So add that hoe in there. Turn off Grammarly. Service form. Where are we doing our imports? The fuck? See, this is why I can't do this. I don't know React as much as I do Vue, but it's pretty much the same. But I still like where are you importing the motherfucking thing? See, where are they importing multi-field form? Onboarding timeline. Okay. Onboarding timeline. Ah, see, there it is. There's the sauce. There it is. Because it's an onboarding timeline. It's not in the motherfucking. Okay, what is it? Product service form. Take that. Where are you? Right there. Product service form. If question is product service form, so it's loaded in there, but it's not in the onboarding flow. So that's why the state needs to be updated to goals. So we got to add one more. Can I duplicate it? And then what is it? Yeah, no, that shit is not integrated in there. Fuck it. Just fix the thing. Okay. Look. I'm gonna say, can you abstract? See, now I'm getting real developer with this hoe. Can you abstract the questions into a separate file for optimization? Oh, yeah. Hey, Google, stop. Interesting. Charlie, I would freak out if... Oh my God, no, I'd freak out if Charlie were ever lost. That'd be insane, bro. Huh? I created a separate file store, blah, 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 blah. Next, I'll update. Yes, update. See, now it's thinking. The fuck? Damn, no. Sorry, Charlie. I keep scaring the shit out of him. This thing is just like me. Come on. Houston, I fucked it up. Damn, man, I was so close to the products and services thing working. I gotta go back to this. Mass ChatGPT to optimize it. You optimize this file. Okay, so I take this right here, copy. I put this in state. Save as new. Okay. Bam. Bam. Looks like it still works. But did it actually save? Save as new? Nah, that didn't work. All right, so I think that's as far as I'm gonna get on this one for now. I'll call this new onboarding process UI. Bye. All right, so what else we got cooking? Back to actual work. Damn. Damn. Yeah, that's bullshit. That's some bullshit. It is some bullshit. Yeah, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do all this. And why do the fucking icons for this suck? There has to be a way where I can, I guess. Some of the stuff I don't want to publish. Yeah, definitely don't want to publish this stuff. I gotta take it from this and put it into stuff. I think, because all of this is just React code. Yeah, it's just React. Let's get to cooking. I'm addicted to vibe coding, closing this shit, because at least the other part was figured out. I was sick. Like, Rosebud was able to redesign this for me, so now I have a way better build out for this. I have a way, like, I see this now and I'm like, dude, just fucking rip this shit apart. Nobody's clicking. Maybe people are clicking it. Leave it there just for people to click, but damn, like, gotta figure it out. Lots to think about. All right, so let's think about this. What do I? Oh, I need to work on the emails. Okay, so daily. We'll work on discover date. Okay, so all right, this is something I'm kind of new to, but I'm gonna start. It's called double fisting, and basically what it is where I'm going crazy, and now I'm like quadruple fisting. What's that shit called? Grok. Yeah, I got Grok. I got that Grok on me. Tuh. I got Grok on me. What is good? I need help working my email newsletter. Right now, it grabs content that is trending and adds. It separates it by content type, and I want it to separate the profile that it's. See, Grok is going crazy. Okay, Grok, Grok, go Grok, go Grok, go Grok, go Grok, go Grok, go Grok. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm gonna ask the same thing of Chat GPT. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do what I did before. I'm gonna just paste this. Should I ask a one or whatever? Okay, I'm gonna ask this one. Bam. GPT. 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 All right, bam. Sock it to me. All right, let's see what Grok is talking about. I got that Grok in my sock. Tracks, all content, grouping by profile. Okay. Huh. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see who got the better one. Generate email body. All right. Get trending content. Okay. Profile name. Okay, cool. And then regroups it. So should I make this one a whole different job? Maybe I should. So let's test it out. Nah, fuck it. Nah, let's not overcomplicate shit. So, cause that email sucks anyways. All right. So I'm just gonna overwrite the email that I have with this new methodology that it's kind of coming up with. Let's see what it's talking about. Seems like a lot more content. Let's see what this is doing. Seems a little bit more efficient. So take this one. Get trending. Bam. And then generate email body goes to bam. All right. Okay. So what I do is I go to that man. Oh, you know what happened? This email had development mode, but the other one didn't have development mode. So whenever I ran the other one, I was like, oh, it's all good. I ran it and it sent it to everyone. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, okay, okay. Discover daily. Take that. Bam. Let's make it dump. Make it take a 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 dump. Make it, make it, make it take a dump. Make it take a dump. Hey, hold up. Work. Wait. Hold up. Work. Wait. Hold up. Work. Wait. Hold up. Work. 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 Okay, let's see. Unknown profile. All right, so ChatGPT solution did not work. So let's. Wow. Crazy. So Guhapatus update did not work. So let's try. All right, so let's try Grok. See how Grok handles this. Wait, what does it want me to do? Generate email body. All right, generate email. All right, so we take this generate email body and then we'll paste that right there. Damn, this feels like MySpace. This is MySpace for real. It's not that we were doing something. We weren't like cheating during MySpace, like copying and pasting code and putting the snippets in there. We were ahead. We were really using ChatGPT before ChatGPT was being ChatGPT. We were just like, sign up for Free Label. Go get your money. Look, that's all I'm going to say. Sign up for Free Label. Go get your money. Thank you. All right, let's see. What did I even do? I forgot. What did I even do? I forgot. All right, yeah. So let me send this out. So I'm gonna check my email, see what it looks like, see what the verdict is. So discover daily. Bam. See what it looks like. Grand Rising. Unknown profile. Nah, wrong one. 550. I need the new one. 553. There it is. This one. From Free Label. Ooh. From RapCap. Ooh. From the Know-It-Alls. Ooh. From AIM Radio Love. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Ow. All right. So maybe I'm thinking like 3 posts from each. And this is where I'm going to ask my Claude. All right. Look, I'm going to say, can you make it to where... Damn. Hold on. Grok just handled that better than ChatGPT. That's my bae. Yo, there's other AIs better than ChatGPT. I mean, I fuck with Claude, but I'm just testing it out, really. I mean, I don't even really understand its capability. This is my first day fucking with Claude, and it seems like insane. And then Grok just blew my AI out the water. Oh man, hold on. So I just built my AI on GPT. So what? Do I need to look into other models? Oh my god, no. Damn, I think today's the day where I'm really thinking about trying other models. To where? Okay, cool. It rewrote all of that code. I guess it went through the entire code just to update one line of code. Can we extract that value into a variable at the top? Oh my god, this is amazing. Because I just edited it. I didn't have to send it back into ChatGPT to be like, oh, okay, this is the latest code. Oh my god, I may not even ever code in that thing. I may never code in the chat again. I'm at a loss. All right, fuck it. Let's run a test. Go. 59. So should have got an email any moment. Damn. That looks so good. Okay, I'm going to say, is there a way to crop the images so they are sitting in a 16 or what is it, 16 by 9? 16 by 9 crop ratio, so it crops out the image but keeps the middle. Sick. I mean, this is good for now, but I still need to make it where, oh yeah, that's what I need to do. Say, can you make a title based on video? There's another job in here that does it great. Yeah, like what we are. Daily assistant, grab that. We make it more done. Yeah, I'm on a strong 1%. That, well, 0%. I'm cutting this chat short, pushing this email out. You know what I'm saying? Gang life to all y'all. Been great. Make this dynamic like this. I guess Claude can't really handle big files. So the smaller your files are, the better it can handle. So small snippets of code it can kind of handle, but I guess if you feed it the whole file, it's a little bit more focused if it's working on a smaller snippet of code. If you're trying to pass it the whole entire code base or like the whole file, it's a little bit, it doesn't work as well. So even breaking your code out into smaller pieces is so beneficial. All right, let's run it. It is gaining traction on free label. Bam. What? Discover daily 170. Cool, because I could just pass it this. Say, yo. Okay, Charlie, I know we're going. Yeah, let's get it. Let's see. And it's off. Okay. What is this for? $10? Whatever. I need to flag that one. Okay, cool. Look at that shit. Wait, where's it? Discover as over. What is SVs on YouTube? Interesting. So let's look at some of these subjects. Great dynamic subject there. DD, defensive driving. Defensive development, really. Because we recklessly coding. Cowboy coding, baby. Video. See, no. See, I'm glad this is happening. Let me see. Dynamic subject. Let's say video. Music. No, I don't even need that. Map type. Whatever. Let's just see what is coming up with. Trending now. See, get rid of those quotations, bruh. All right, let's start over. Let's go. Marketing bot. Let's go. Oh, this is so bad. Okay, get rid of these quotations. I'm going to look one more time. Make sure there's no more quotations. Must see. And we fix the formatting on this. We fix the formatting to handle the numbers. Video. Can we fix this where video? We fix this where the video isn't just sitting by itself. No, don't add it to the type map. Okay, good. Good job. Smart. Claude is actually very smart. I trust Claude. Must see video. No, that's whack. You know what? I think the prefixes kind of make it look robotic. So what if I say remove all prefixes? It makes the emails seem robotic. Just have the emojis as... You know, I could have just done that myself. Bam. Every time, for real? Because we have the type in there. Let's say, yeah. I'm just going to ask it what I asked before. Just remove all prefixes. I guess I understand. Let's say this is generating the same title. It is generating the same title over and over. Can it... Let's see what that goes. Oh, man, I got to go. Why does it keep putting the same fucking... Yeah, that's way better. Cool. All right, one last one, and I gotta get the fuck out of here. All right, I'm gonna say, can you make this add the discover daily to the end of the subject? Right, let's fuck around and run it. Let's see what happens. Please don't send me the same fucking automation email. All right, let's go. All right, and then I gotta go. I really gotta go. Here it is. I'm piano workout mix. All right, dope, bro. There's no way. I'm the GOAT. I'm truly the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. Charlie, you're my dog, and I'm the GOAT. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Oh, you're tired. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm the GOAT. This is insane. Oh, I got one last thing I'm going to do. Because this is $1 million thing right here. All right. That's what's going down. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask the code. I'm going to really put what's it called to the test real quick. All right. I'm going to say, wait, where's my chat? I don't know where it went. But anyways, I'm gonna say, can you add a placeholder method here where custom mess? Okay, can you add a placeholder method here where I can pass in the payload of the trending content to the AI to analyze and build out a custom message for the email's body content? Bam! Yo, I'm good. Just because of this, I'm treating myself to something good. I work hard. I've been sitting in the fucking house all day. I mean, I woke up at 1 because I stayed up until 5 working on this shit. What is this? Crab? Lobster sandwich? Lobster roll? Looks like a Cane's Texas toast and they stuffed a lobster in it. I don't know, I might fuck around and get Torchies again. You know what? That's actually going to be quite the workload. All right, this is where ChatGPT might come in. Actually, I'm going to test this later. I'm going to test the rest of this integration later. This is great for now. This is a great update. Come on, iterative changes, baby. This is good. Iterative changes. So, fix the discover daily emails. Because now I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this because I know that, I'm happy with this because I know that the emails that get sent out with this system are way better because what's getting sent out right now is fucking ass. All right, send this up. You think this is too much? Is this too much content from each one? Is 1 or 2 posts okay? This is China. All right, cool. So looks icy. I just don't know if that's too much. That's crazy. That is sick. Oh, I just got the chills, man. That's just sick. Okay, Discover Daily 3.19. See, yeah, because that's kind of stupid. Like, tell me this doesn't look dope. Discover Daily. Wait. Rewind. This is what it looked like before. This is... No. Rewind. This is what it actually looks like. So this is what actually is getting sent out right now. Hot articles. Must-watch videos. You know, there's no focus to it. This, baby, focus. It makes sense. And this is like the development version. Just wait until the production one goes out. Just wait, baby. And when I say wait, I mean like 30 seconds. Look, it's already done. 26. Oh, looks like the API is going up. Yeah, it's going up. So, to the DigiOcean. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the ocean. It's digital. Oh, yeah. API. And then I go to my Thangalang. Pause. And then I do arson email. So if you're subscribed to free, if you're like on free label right now, you're about to get this email. So this right here is the behind the scenes of how this shit goes out. So if you are signed up on free label right now, let me get my everybody grab your phones. The new Discover Daily email is about to get sent out in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1. Shot. Hey, shot it. Hey, what's up, shot it? Oh, damn. Let me in, bruh. Hey, let me in. You know, one of the most insecure things is putting my password in on live stream. I feel like one of you motherfuckers are logging my keystrokes as I type. Bro, let me in. That's what I'm saying. All right, so real-time message events, 20 delivered 20. Ooh! That's fire. That's fire right there. That's fire right there, you know what I'm saying? That's fire. It sent it to... Damn. It hasn't even been a minute. It's been 2 minutes. 9 people already opened it. Refresh. 2 people are blocked. It's young real nigga. Damn it. That's me. This is cool. Okay, so I want to see who's clicking. Where are the clicks happening? Anybody click anything? Somebody clicked at 5 a.m. Let me think. 5 a.m. Is that when it sends it? It sends it at 5 a.m.? Wait, what time does it think it is? It says 1800. That's 6. Okay, that makes sense. This is at 5 a.m. Does it send out at 5 a.m.? This. So Discover Daily doesn't send out at 5. It's the thing. It's the daily status admin update. That one. That's sick. So you're telling me I'm like an email newsletter guy now? This is insane. I should have been doing this whole time. Hey, it chose the wrong. People don't need to know how many views it's had. It's a liability. You know, nothing is ever perfect the first time, I guess. I want some Chinese food. I want some Chinese food. Sushi. All right, well, it's been cool. It's been sweet. It's been sweet. It's been cool. I gotta go. Deuces.